Hey everyone, real quick, I want to do a video lesson on FSNN. This was a stock that I had on the watch list last night and that hopefully everyone was prepared for when this made its big move today. Let's go check out this watch list that I sent to everyone. I mentioned that 250 was going to be the buying point on this because it was resistance the previous day, and I also mentioned that volume is extremely important on this move over 250. I had my price target between 280 and 296. Well, this ended up hitting 291. I then mentioned this would be a rebuy over the break of 3, and that's still on watch for tomorrow. We may have to reanalyze it depending on what happens in pre-market. But let's go check out the chart here. Why did I choose 250 as the important buying point? You can see it is obviously a crucial point in this move. So why did I feel that that was the point? Well, yesterday's resistance initially was 244, but this came down, curved back up, and it broke 244 and then made resistance at 248. When that sort of action happens, it tells you that there's overhead resistance. And as I analyzed this, I figured that overhead resistance would be here at 250. Now it came out the day, started pretty weak, came back around to be even on the day about, and this is where we got a big move, which was in power hour. Now I want you to notice something that's very important to see. As this breaks 250, what's happening with our volume? It's building. That's textbook. That's what we want to see. We want to see that volume build through the break. It went over 250. It ended up hitting about 272 here. That already, if you were to sell into that spike, is a 20-cent spike, 20 cents a share. It's pretty awesome. But it came down, found support at 250 again. So in case you missed your initial fill, you could have potentially gotten refilled here. And then this was the stair-stepping pattern for it to go upwards. You can see the lows moved upwards. First low, second low, and then here's our stair-stepping pattern upwards for it to explode into the end of day power hour. Another thing to see here, look at that volume build as this grows into end of day. So just want you guys to see here, a lot of these trades can be very predictable. I try and put them on the watch list so you guys can be prepared for these big plays and to make good money. All right, I look forward to trading with you guys tomorrow.